Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It has been 2 years now since the abrogation of Article 370. My friends were asking me how I see the abrogation of Article 370. In my limited learning, the abrogation of Article 370 has only exposed the political nexus and the political rowdiness that is usually termed as mainstream of Jammu and Kashmir. However, people of Kashmir know these hooligans as big hurdle in way of political stability. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 has only downcasted the people of Kashmir, and the abrogation was only of deceased body of Article 370. The actual erosion, the actual abrogation was sanctioned long back, layer by layer. For example, the 1954 modification order, jurisdiction of extension of jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India and the Election Commission of India, the application of Article 356 and 357. These changes did not took place at their own. These changes took place with the active role of mainstream hooligans for their personal benefits. These hooligans eradicated political space from Kashmir and replaced it with new culture, the culture of hypocrisy, the culture of betrayal, the culture of nepotism. The policies of betrayal started dismantling political and democratic institutions, and the transformation of the political parties into hierarchical bodies driven by the personal interest and not by the political ideology. The philosophy of mainstream hooligans needed two faces and two words, one for Delhi and one for Kashmir. While in Delhi, they used the threat of separatism to project themselves as the only saviors of New Delhi's interest in Kashmir. While in Kashmir, they fanned emotions and sentiment and projected the New Delhi's image as monster. This image of Delhi was further evaluated through imposition of draconian laws and dehumanizing people of Kashmir day in and day out. These hooligans bleed New Delhi of being their foot soldiers, but in reality, they deliberately polarized Indian symbol and the people of Kashmir. The abrogation, which was made on August 5, 2019, is not to be mistaken with the Kashmir problem, as it hardly provided any solution to the basic issue, except safeguarding the privilege of these hooligans. The human tragedy in Kashmir is to be addressed, and that address can end political instability. The confusion is not outcome of any abrogation, but the outcome of continuous policies of betrayal. In conclusion, I want to urge Delhi and Islamabad to demonstrate statesmanship and address all issues, including the Kashmir issue, in the interest of peace and secured South Asia.